Okay, hello. I think we're live right now. Let's switch to display and briefly explain what the hell are we gonna do today. Let's actually probably switch to the headset mic so you can hear me a little bit better. Okay, I think we can hear ourselves right now. So let's reduce the volume of the thing and explain what we're gonna do today. So the point of this stream is to do some hacking and stuff of the game and discovering stuff. So yeah. So I have been working on something. Let's just quickly pull something up. Okay, so what I've been working on is this stage explorer thing. So it includes it allows you to view a stage file. So in the Flipnic, there are these .sst files, which contains some metadata and stuff about the stage. So what we are analyzing today is Hikari1.sst, which is this, which is optics A. So what I've discovered is that these N's, the ones that end with an N, are a list of file names. GMK, these are the gimmicks, which I'll come back to later, or I'll just briefly say that these are interactable elements on the stage, as you can see here. So if you open a gimmick, each gimmick contains its own suite of stuff. Okay. Let's open a hex editor real quick and analyze this. So if you open that stage in a hex editor, this is what it looks like. And yeah, I've translated this into the thing. And how the way this works. So this is the number of these things. This is the offset for the data, I think. Right here. Yeah, offset after where the data stuff begins. This number is the number of entries, so it's no, it's not. It's the count. Yeah, the count row column here. So number of stuff, and this is the size of the stuff, basically. And this is the offset. Really simple. Stuff. There's more stuff. There's 3 of them. So yeah, this is a list of names, and if you open them in this one, it provides the same output. So far the stuff I figured out, an interesting thing I've been able to do is right here. Okay, so we can edit the stuff in real time. If we can't really edit in real time, we have to search for it. Use the string method, and let's see if we can find it. No, that's the incorrect one. This is the one. What I wanna do is just disable the boss. So how do we disable the boss? Let's open another thing in the hex editor. It's boss 1 right here. And that's the only reason is we can just copy paste this. Copy, paste, and we subtract 3. Let me show you what happens if we do this. Okay, I subtracted a little bit too much, but you get the idea. There is no boss. I accidentally removed the sky as well. So it looks like we're in the middle, in space or something. Which actually in the original we still were, but we don't see the planet and stuff. So yeah, this is like a good practice map, I guess. Just to give you a reference. This is what it normally looks like. So you normally have this boss guy you need to hit, and the background. So we're able to disable those. by modifying the stage file, which is interesting. Another thing with this governance is in the optics stage. So we need to pause the loading right here. Perform a new search because the offset is going to be different. Right, so I believe the gimmick for the optics we need to modify for this is calculate this. PD1880 plus 1B360, and this is the offset we need to go to. Okay. I think what I discovered is we can just swap these, and something interesting will happen. So let's see if that's true. Okay, so what you can see now is that the area for the multi-ball is now open, so I can go there. If I can actually play the freaking game. There we go. And this is what it looks like without the multi-ball event active, which is interesting. So yeah, you can access that area when you're not supposed to by modifying the stage file like that. Yes. And we fell. And I think we can still pass the lane. I think. No, we can't. Oh, we're stuck here. That's fun. Very fun. So we're stuck here for that tournament team. What I should be doing right now is making save states for this. Okay, pause, save state. And another thing we discovered related to flippers is that we can swap the left and right flipper, and I believe also the button, which is that value right there. So F is I believe D-pad left and 5 is circle, I'm pretty sure. Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, we made useless flippers. So that's pretty fun. It makes the game, I think, impossible. Because how are you gonna beat the game like this? Like how? Note that this only like affects the beginning here. If it somehow get to the next area, it doesn't affect it. I guess that's a little bit fun to mess around with. Right. The next thing I'll do is actually mess around with other stuff. So I think what we can do, node state right here somewhere, thing where we can Change the ball color, I believe. Let's try see if this works. No, it does not. Interesting, so that crashes the game. I wonder why. Again, this is black box testing. We don't know anything about how this game works. Yeah, it crashes, I can tell. Right, so that's okay. That was a really late pause. I want to see. I think I wanted to mess with this. So in the calculator, okay. Anyway, it's B1880 plus 5830, and these things. You know what those are? Oh, okay, so that's what that is. Let's put like. Let's see what happens if you do that. It's gonna crash. No. Look what happened. Messed up the beginning. Fascinating. Wait. Where's the ball? What the hell? That is so cursed. Look. You saw it for a moment. What the hell? We can change the color of the things. And the camera is completely messed up. Okay, what the hell does that do? That is a very fun way to break this game. Let's actually play our audio lower volume level. You can sort of hear it, but you can still hear me something. So normally if you go there, you're supposed to go back. What? How did we trigger this? That is black magic. And the game crashed. That is fascinating. So how do we rectify this? This is interesting. That is mildly interesting. Okay. Some of you might have left. Actually don't know if anybody's even watching. Probably not. Yeah, nobody's watching. That's fun. That means people will see the board and stuff. Like me messing around like a madman, not knowing what the fuck I'm doing. Let's just change these values and see what happens. I heard a sound. That's interesting. Okay, that's really weird. You know, one of those is what the hell? Okay, so that somehow I think relates to how these models are rendered, or something. What? Where are we? What is happening? Okay, so interesting. That's fairly interesting. Let's see if this crashes the game. I think something related to spawning objects is gonna crash it. Stuff happens with no point of no return. No, never mind. Still alive. Still not dead. Very interesting. And we got the point of no return 3, I think. No, I think it actually no, it's the second one, I think. Which one is it? Second one, yeah. So if we go up there, what's gonna happen is we're gonna freaking die. Yeah. How? So the camera is God knows where. I think stuff is really linked here. Okay, that's interesting. So I guess that's what that does. Again, I'm just point is just trying to see what the fuck happens. We do these things. I mess out. So okay, that's interesting. What is Baldi? It has 20 and no, it will have one entry that is long. That is 20 long. What is 2041? What if set this to 0? That's the point, that's the stuff I'm doing. See what the hell happens. So Baldi. What the hell? So that's controls the gravity or something? No, I think that's like